So I was about to clean my brushes, and I still need to, but I thought of something, and I don't think it's ever been done, and I'm kind of proud of myself for thinking of it. Hi guys, it's Zach. Hi, how are ya? As the title says, yes, I am going to be doing my full face of makeup using only the opposite side of a makeup brush. We're not going to be using these soft, smooth bristles. We're just going to be using the hard plastic or wood, and I can already tell this is not going to go good. So I'm going to go through each step of my foundation routine. Foundation, concealer. Ooh, powder will be difficult. We're just going to see how it goes, so let's get started. Now I don't apply my primer with a brush, so I'm not going to. So I'm just going to prime using the Tarte Brighter Days moisturizer. It has a little glow into it, you know. I have to try to save this look somehow. And this will probably be the only saving grace that I have. So for foundation, we're going to keep it drugstore, and I'm going to be using the e.l.f. Flawless Finish in the shade Porcelain, because I'm pale. And the foundation brush I normally would use is my Color Noir CN159, and we're still going to use that, but like the challenge indicates, we're just going to be using the opposite side of the brush, because why not? Because I am a rebel and I rebel. Okay, so this is kind of reminding me about the silicone beauty blenders and how like they don't absorb product, they just smooth it around. So I'm trying to like put the foundation on and then tap it with the end of the brush, and it's not looking too bad, but it's definitely not up to my standards. So there's that. You have to kind of be gentle around your eye and your cheekbone area because these are like hard and you don't want to hurt yourself. So take your time, be gentle. There's some ASMR for you. You can hear that. Okay, this left side is nothing compared to the previous side. Oh boy. Okay, so let's attempt to do the nose. Which, I know, the nose is not gonna be great. I am not liking this application whatsoever. That foundation, oh, it's like I'm glad I went drugstore with this, because if I use like my Fenty or like my Clinique, like this would be like so much product wasted. So I'm just gonna keep blending until it's not that bad, and I will be right back.
2 hours later.
Look at this brush. This looks atrocious, just like my pores. So the next step is to move on to concealer, and I'm gonna apply the concealer like I normally would right out of the tube. And then I'm going to use a concealer brush handle to blend it out. I'm using the Catrice HD Liquid Camouflage from the I'm gonna have to be like really sensitive, like to the tear duct area, because I don't want to poke my eye out, because I need to see. my dog's life. So to blend out the concealer, I am taking a BH Cosmetics 102 concealer brush, and we are just going to flip it and hope for the best. I find that blending in little tiny circles helps products disperse easier, but on this nose, it's gonna be difficult. How am I gonna powder? Oh my gosh. My nose looks horrendous, so I'm gonna take a clean brush and see if I can make this right. Okay, so for powder, I'm going to take my Color Noir S201 powder brush, and I'm going to dip into my Makeup Revolution setting powder in Lace, and we're going to attempt to set under the eyes, and this powder is not sticking to the brush. It's getting all over me. So there's that. Okay, so powder is on. Okay. Oh, no. Okay. Maybe if I swipe it. I'm just hoping for the best at this point. Oh my goodness. Oh my. Okay. Look at that separation. Yes, queen. We love a separated face. The good thing about this particular brush is it has a slanted edge to it. So it's kind of like working, but not working. Like, I love blending. Like, blending is my favorite part of my routine. And it's now ruined. Okay, so we're gonna move on. We're gonna take this journey along and move on. I'm now going to attempt to contour my face. I'm taking my Tarte Clay Play palette, and I actually use the center shade contour. I don't want to ruin it. Okay. No, that's not working. It's not working. Let's use Wet n Wild. I want you guys to see it. It's only getting on that little part of the brush. Okay. Okay. Okay, we have something. We have something. We have some powder. Okay. Let's do this. I'm gonna contour the exact same way, and we are just going to let the universe take control. Here we go. Nope. And it's scraping so much into the pan that I've hit pan. I mean, okay. This was so hard. Okay. Come on, cheekbone. There's no hope. I can't do this. So my camera, I almost said my phone. My camera died mid-contour. This is what the palette now looks like trying to do all of this work. and I keep trying to blend. It doesn't blend. I'm gonna go in with my favorite blush of all time, Georgia Peach by Jaclyn Cosmetics, but I am just going to take another brush, and I'm gonna try not to ruin this, only because this is my favorite blush. Look at that. Okay. We are getting somewhere, you guys. I think once I do the highlighter, I think the shimmer. Wow. I think the shimmer will really bring this all together. I'm trying to blend this powder. You know what? I forgot to set the rest of my face. This is probably why it's looking so bad. Too late now. So for highlighter, I'm using a loose powdered highlighter. I'm using White Diamonds by Oprah. And let's hope for the best. I mean, this is applying like a highlighter. And is it helping blend? Probably not. But I still look glowy. And I'm still going to take a glamour shot of this and think I'm the hottest piece of crap on the world. You know? I'm trying to do the exact same movements that I do as I normally do, and it's not helping. I look like a green girl. Now, the brows might be the saving grace to this because the other side of the brush is a spoolie, and I'm just going to dip it in and put it on, and I'm using the Forever Magic Cosmetics Double Shade Seductive Eyebrow Gel and Abracadabra Black, and I'm just gonna wipe this off. Already looks so much better. And then I just left it up. So like I said, I'm watching True Blood, and we just got to the season. Spoilers. We just got to the episode where the Vampire King of Mississippi went on the news and basically ripped the guy's spine out of his head. His back. And now the world hates vampires, and it's a beautiful time. It's a beautiful thing. And for the eyes, I think I want to go smoky. And since I do not want to damage any of my eyeshadow palettes, I will be using eye pigments. Okay, so for the base eyeshadow, I'm going to be taking 3 pigments from Star Crushed Minerals. I'm taking Aphrodite, Chocolate Cherry Cake, and then Taboo. And I'm going to start with Aphrodite. And on a blending brush handle, we're gonna pop that in the lid. And cuts the brush. And we're just gonna, okay. That actually doesn't look half bad. The eyes might be the saving. Oh no. It's happening. I want to try to do a halo eye, and that scares me. Alright guys, this is it. This is the finish. For mascara, I just did the Lights Camera Lashes mascara, and I used the Tarte H2O gloss in Pain 10. It's nudie, it's shiny, and this is the finished look. So yeah guys, I hope you enjoyed this video using only the other side of the brush. I haven't seen anyone else do it. I did it. Let's go. Let's start something. Let's make it happen. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Give it a like. Hit that subscribe button. And if you want to, hit that little bell so you know each time I post. So until next time, guys. Bye.